feel like I'm proposing to you guys. Oh my god, guys, that is beautiful. Hi guys, I'm CierraShares and welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a look at some new camera solutions. I got a new Canon RP DSLR a few months ago, and while I love it and it's amazing for stills, I do not think it is the best streaming solution. I did not take into consideration the extreme crop of the video and an adapter. I figured the adapter would cause a crop, but I forgot that video is already cropped even more on a DSLR. So I did some thinking, did some researching, and Coursera came out with a new app called Epoch Cam or Epic Cam. It is free. It turns your phone into a webcam. But it's amazing. It's from the same people that make Elgato products, so you know that the technology is going to be top of the line. And I actually know some people, shout out to Plains Wanderer, he is the first person I know personally that's used it, and he says it's super simple, so I wanted to give it a try. But I wanted to get a new lens to see if I can still get that DSLR feel on my iPhone. So we're gonna review the Moment starter kit today and do my first little unboxing video on the channel. So let's just dig right in. Okay guys, this is the Moment photo case necessary to use any of the M series lenses. Okay, reveal. Okay, there's a nice little insert. Oh, wow, okay. Wowie! I'm so excited. Okay, guys. It says, shot on Moment. This is an image that was taken with one of their lenses. It says, let's get started. I am sad that I have to get rid of my cute case. Like, cry. But it will be worth it, I'm pretty sure. So that's the case. Also comes with a cleaning pen, which is something that is important for cleaning your lenses, for brushing away dust particles, because it is inevitable. And a little small pin for scrubbing. So that comes with the kit. Very good. Nice packaging to go with it. But now, the big boy, what we've been waiting for, the Moment wide lens 18mm M series. Long live the picture taker. I feel like I'm proposing to you guys. Let me get down on one knee. Ah. Woo! Ah. How's that? Oh my god, guys, that is beautiful. It is a big, chunky boy. Oh my gosh, it comes with a little carrying case. This is premium. Oh, wow. I'm obsessed. Okay. Obsessed. Another shot on Moment, and it tells you how to get the lens going. So this has been shot without the lens. I think I am gonna switch over and we can just test the footage with the lens. But first, let me show you some beautiful stills of this packaging because it is something to admire. I'm a graphic designer. I have a understanding and appreciation of the need for print materials and good packaging, and I highly appreciate it. So enjoy some images. So this is with the Moment lens on. Let me just say I made a mistake. I ordered the case for the iPhone 11. I needed to order for the iPhone XS. So there is some aberration happening around the edges, a little bit of vignetting because the lens is just kind of floating there. I have emailed to exchange, and I purchased actually another case to go with an old lens so I can possibly use it for my Twitch streams. But as you can see, this is like a much wider field of view. This is going to be perfect for vlogging and all kinds of crazy things. So I'm very excited, beyond happy. I actually just ordered another lens. Moment sponsor me. I love photography, and I think the biggest inhibitor is cost for a lot of people. It took me a long time even just to earn up enough money when I was young to get a film camera, not even a full-on DSLR. And now everyone has a cell phone, and this lens in this case were only like $125, which is a lot of money, but that's much cheaper than a few hundred or 1,000 plus for like dipping your toes into the water of like professional gear. So this is a great investment. I would highly recommend to anybody. I'll be testing it out.
Several days later.
Okay guys, this is a few days later. This is editing Sierra. Nice to meet ya. My friend Keyana and I went and had a little photo shoot with my DSLR, which I'm shooting on now, and an iPhone 7 with this Moment 18mm lens. Let's take a look and see some of the side-by-sides along with the camera specs so you guys can kind of get an idea of how it looks and possibly how you can upgrade your camera too. Which do you guys think is best? Let me know down below. I love you guys. Bye. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow.